Yesterday's market was absolutely beautiful. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and the charts were looking promising. It was one of those days where everything seemed to align perfectly. The kind of day that makes you grateful to be a part of this incredible journey in the world of Forex trading. And once again, my students showed up and showed out. Their dedication and enthusiasm never cease to amaze me. Every single day they bring their A-game, ready to learn, ready to grow, and ready to conquer the markets. It's a beautiful thing to witness. Just like DeMarco did in the last video, this time it was Marcus who tore the US30 apart. Marcus, with his relentless spirit and unwavering focus, took the challenge head-on. He studied the charts, analyzed the trends, and when the moment was right, he made his move. He caught the signal in the green zone, the very same zone I've been talking about, and took the trade up with confidence. This green zone is a critical area where the probability of success is significantly higher. It's where the magic happens, and Marcus knew exactly what to do when he saw it. He messaged me with not one, but 2 profit screenshots. The excitement in his messages was palpable. You could feel the adrenaline rush, the sense of accomplishment, and the sheer joy of seeing his hard work pay off. One showed $1,100, and the next one, $1,600. These numbers weren't just figures on a screen, they were a testament to his dedication, his perseverance, and his ability to execute a well-thought-out plan. He said, "You're the GOAT, Mr. Scott, appreciate the signal." It's moments like these that make all the hard work worth it. Knowing that I could play a part in his success is incredibly rewarding, and I replied, "Peace and blessings, Marcus. Appreciate the support humbly, bro. It's important to stay grounded and humble, no matter how much success we achieve. Gratitude and humility are key. Moments like this, they mean everything. They remind us why we do what we do. It's not just about the money. It's about the journey, the growth, and the connections we make along the way. Not just because someone made money, but because it finally clicked. That moment of realization when everything falls into place is priceless. It's the culmination of countless hours of study, practice, and perseverance. Like many of us, Marcus has had his losses. He's faced the frustration. There were times when he felt like giving up, when the losses seemed too much to bear, but he didn't. He pushed through, learned from his mistakes, and came out stronger on the other side. But he stayed in it, trusted the process, and executed the play. Clean. US30 isn't easy. It's a challenging market that requires skill, patience, and a deep understanding of the dynamics at play. But Marcus was up to the task. I say it all the time. If I had started trading US30 from day one, I would have blown through accounts like wildfire. It's a tough market, and it can be unforgiving. But with the right guidance and a solid strategy, success is within reach. Even now, I pray before every session, because reading the market isn't about hype, it's about humility and skill. It's about staying grounded, staying focused, and always being prepared for whatever the market throws your way. And that's exactly what Marcus showed yesterday. His success was a testament to his hard work, his dedication, and his ability to stay calm under pressure. If you're still struggling to read US30, get connected. There are resources available, and there are people who are willing to help. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for guidance. We've got the buy now, pay later option, and the 2-in-1 promo is back. But only until Sunday. Take advantage of these offers while you can. They're designed to help you get the most out of your trading journey. And don't forget, we've got a full all-day training event tomorrow. It's a fantastic opportunity to dive deep into the world of Forex trading, learn from the experts, and connect with fellow traders. A full day in front of the charts, breaking down moves, live. It's an immersive experience that will give you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Just like I always say, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Stay healthy, stay safe. Your well-being is just as important as your success in trading, and always, stay creative in the times we're living in. Peace and blessings, family. Creativity is key to navigating the ever-changing landscape of the Forex market. See you in the next one. Until then, keep pushing, keep learning, and keep growing. The journey is just as important as the destination.